Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. I am Mazel and today I'm starting my first vlog.
The vlog is all about my new bridal studio coming up.
I'm going to show you the view now. It's totally raw right now. So I'll be vlogging the entire process of decorating it, getting it done. And hope you like it. Today is the 21st of September 2020 and it's 10:45 a.m. right now. We already have the workers and they already started. First I'll show you the space, how it looks like. So here you go. I done a poll on Instagram whether I should vlog this entire video and I got a yes from many of you. That's why I really got excited to do it. I also got some ideas from Pinterest and they have amazing stuff. I got some few ideas from there and a little bit of my personal touch is gonna be there. So I'm so excited, you guys. Today they are starting with the POP and they're fixing those rods in the wall. So I'll show you the video. Hey guys, good morning, and today is the 25th of September. It's 11:45 a.m. I'm going to do some curtain shopping today and also the requirements, whatever I need for the office. The painting is getting done. Also, the POP thing is also getting done. My table is also getting done. I also need to buy a chair for me, which I'm really excited about. So I'll take you with me when I'm going.
Hey you guys, I couldn't find the curtains I desired, so I got some material, some lace, some nets so I'm gonna convert these ones into the curtains I want. I'll show you once they are ready. Hey guys, I just reached to the site and I can see the people are doing the POP work. The sheets are being brought and they're putting the sheets on top of the ceiling to complete the POP. So this is what is happening today, guys.
So now I'm going to have lunch and थोड़ी पेट पूजा भी करनी चाहिए, right? तो उसके बाद I'm going to go. Hey guys, so it's 2 p.m. and I just came home for lunch. I'll show you what I'm eating right now. It's very simple food. I'm just gonna eat now. And it's raining like really heavy. I don't know how I'm gonna move out. I need to go and see the mirrors for the studio. I need to go today itself without wasting any more time because we hardly have days left. I'm thinking to inaugurate it on the 29th of this September. So fingers crossed. I hope everything works pretty good for me. All I wish is good luck from you guys.
And that's my food. That's my lunch, you guys. Yum, yum, yum. It's really delicious.
Hey guys, I just had lunch and I just changed my clothes because they were really sweaty. So now I'm going to the mirror shop, the glass shop basically, to check the type of mirror I want. I'll be telling them the way I want it. I'll be posting a picture of to tell you how I want it exactly. I'm gonna decorate it like that, with the flowers on top of it. And once I'm done with that, I'm coming home. I'm really tired for the day.
Hey you guys, I just reached to the mirror shop, it's the Goa glass shop, and I'm going in now. I've already told the person to show me the mirrors, and here are some mirrors and also glasses. I'm thinking to buy this kind of a glass similar to this, a little bit different in the sizes and shapes. I also need a bigger mirror to be put on the wall, so they're gonna show me that. I'm gonna tell them the size and they're gonna get it done, and then they're going to come to the studio to put it on the wall. Hey you guys, good morning. It's 9 a.m. and I'm going to do some shopping, decor shopping for the office workplace. So I'll take you with me. I'm going to the mall, Kapla Mall. As you already know that it's in Pension. So I'm going there and I'm going to do a little bit of shopping as needed. So let's see what I can get from there. And they have Okay, so I'm just done and now I'm at the billing counter and good to go. Hey you guys, good morning. Today is Sunday, 27th of September, and it's 10:38 now. I'm just going to the nail studio to do my nails. So I'm just getting a very simple ones. They are already gone and some are really coming out. So I just want to change them because of the inauguration, and I'm just excited. So I'm just leaving now. I'll show you what I'm doing exactly once I reach the nail studio.
Hello you guys, I'm already at the nail studio and I'm deciding what color to go for. So I've decided to go for something transparent, like transparent nails I'm gonna do today because I've never done transparent nails. Look at my nails right now, they're already grown, chipped off, so I definitely need to get them done. Hey guys, good morning. It is 11:30. Today is 28th of September and today is the last day basically to do whatever I need to. If I need to get any stuff for the bridal studio, I need to go right there. Hey guys, it's 2 p.m. and I'm just heading to go for lunch. Hey guys, so it is the 28th of September and it's 5:55 p.m. and as you see, nothing is ready for my bridal studio. Since I already told you I was supposed to inaugurate it on the 29th, but that's not possible right now. As you just see what's happening, I'll just show you around what is not completed. I'm fully exhausted, I'm just sweating all the way. But nothing to do with it. I just need the work to be done as soon as possible. I need to shift my things here, but I can't help it because there's lots of work to do. Probably I'm hoping that this will happen like in the next 2 or 4 days. So there'll be a little delay in opening this. So this is going to be what I'm going to sit right here. This is going to be my table, which is not yet ready, so it needs to be painted and then you need to put the ply on top of it. Look at the walls guys, we need to do the painting of this as well, and the POP is done, the ceiling is done, but we need to paint the walls completely. Only the primer is done for the walls, and I need to put the rods for the curtains, and then I need to decor. Look at the floor you guys, it's so messy, but look at the floor. So I need to put some good flooring here. I'm gonna put some flooring right there, so I have to wait because I have no option other than waiting. So hopefully I'm ending the part 1 of the vlog